Hello there, very good evening to you. Thanks for joining us here on Ideal World. I've got great news. We've got another brand new launch, another phenomenal prize for you. This little baby, this vacuum is like a dream vac. The beauty of it is it can literally go anywhere. The name of this big brand of Hoover, this Hoover is literally called the Freedom. And you're going to find out why. Because this, hello girls, hello. As we make our way around the studio, you're going to see that we can literally go wherever we want. Now, sometimes we say to you, oh, this vacuum's great. It's got a 5-meter range, it's about 15 feet. Other times we might go, oh, this one's brilliant because this one, I'm going to go this way. This one's brilliant because you're going to find that this one, it can go 10 meters, about 30 feet. This one's even better, as you can see. This one can go anywhere. I can even go across to Create and Craft if I wanted to. And I could be doing my work right there. There's our lovely Bev. Hello, Bev. How are you, my lovely?
Very well, thank you.
No, I'm very good. I'm just doing a little bit of vacuuming. Woohoo! That's the beauty of it. Now, if you're thinking, I might get one of these, we have got a brilliant price lined up for you. You do not want to miss out on this deal. It is the big brand of Hoover, and we're talking the genuine brand of Hoover. So you haven't got to be thinking, is it Hoover or does it look like Hoover? Is it somewhat like a Hoover? It is the genuine Hoover. The nice thing about it is, stay. You've got a great battery on there, but I like to call it a 4-in-1. We often hear these days a 2-in-1. I like to call this a 4-in-1. Why? Because first of all, as you've just seen me using, you've got your regular vacuum. You've got the vacuum that will do your floor. But we're going to show you all the attachments come with this. You can now turn this into a stick vac. So you can get high up. You can get all the cobwebs, all the things on the ceiling, in the corners, underneath the kitchen cupboards. But in addition to that, you're also going to get the opportunity to use it as a handy vac. And here's the one I love. This is the big one. Look at this. The floor head does not require the long tube. And then you're going to find that it is a stair vac. Come on, who dreamt up something like a stair vac? A vacuum that is perfect for stairs. And there is no loss of power whatsoever. No, when you go and use the little one on the stairs, no loss of power. How brilliant is that? And that's why this is going to be such a big success. Now, over the last few weeks, if you've been watching, if you're a regular, you'll know that we've been bringing lots of Hoover deals for you, and we've had some phenomenal prices. This is also, in fact, if you go to very.co.uk, and these guys, they like to say their prices are low because they're on the internet, they don't have shops. That keeps their overheads down. £279.99, £280. We're doing it today. We've taken our price down to £139.99, 140 quid. We've literally taken £110 off the price of this vacuum. 110 quid that stays in here, £110 that you don't spend. And the great news is we don't ask for the balance of 140, 139.99 today. We say give us £46.66. So we spread the cost over those two payments. Let me get lovely Bev in. I'm going to get the Bev to come in here. This is Beverly, and she is, I like to call her the Queen of Clean. Oh, I'm going to get a second kiss now. Happy New Year, because it is the New Year, isn't it?
Happy New Year.
So what do you make of the vacuum? So, well, first, before we talk about the vac, what about the brand?
Hoover. I mean, let's face it, the Hoover. Over 100 years that this has been going. My mum still has her Hoover. It's in the garage now. It's retired. But she's had it over 30 years.
Wow.
Over 30 years. And the thing is, hers was one of the material type, the ones with the bag that sits inside with the zip at the back.
Oh, yeah, I've seen them.
Absolutely. And the thing is, while she used to be vacuuming, there used to be a cloud of dust coming out through the bag. You know, what's that all about?
But I mean, these are the real guys. So in the UK, we don't say, you know, we're going to vacuum your carpets. What do we say? I'm going to Hoover.
Exactly.
Because it's the brand.
Well, Hoover, I mean, honestly and truthfully, what I like about Hoover is they keep it simple, but what they keep simple, they do well.
Yeah.
Now, it is lightweight, extremely lightweight. Also, it's very easy to manoeuvre. They've got a trigger underneath here, which is very easy to press. But I test all the products that I get on my 86-year-old mum, all right? And if she can't manage it, then I know that people with dexterity problems are going to struggle. Now, the only thing she said to me was, oh, I don't think I'll be able to hold that button on like that.
Trigger, yeah.
I said, well, don't worry then, Mum. What about doing this?
Oh, you can lock it.
You can lock it on.
Clever.
So you don't have to do that. And so anyone who does have dexterity problems can lock the trigger into position.
Brilliant, like it.
Cyclonic action inside here. So therefore you've got high suction rate going through the machine. Easy to maneuver, easy to turn around with the swivel head, lightweight. Now I've seen some that look very similar to this machine, and boy are they heavy at the back. This has been counterbalanced at 2.2 kilograms. Now I've weighed my handbag the other day and it was 2.4. That's my small one.
What you have in there?
Well, diaries.
No. We haven't got time to find out. Listen, I've got to be honest with you. I don't think I've ever seen so much dirt and dust and debris. In 12 years of shopping, Telly, I don't think of it. Look at this one. Look at this one. It's filthy.
It's filthy. Because I need to put this through its pace.
Well, if your house looks anything like this, move out. Or call the council. Get some out.
No. Could you just invite us to the next party that you have if your house does like this, please? Now, also, we don't want to make vacuuming hard work, do we? Or rather, hoovering, I should say, hard work. Look at that. Nice. All the way through the middle.
Brilliant.
Now, I think I should have a look at that a little bit closer, don't you?
Okay.
Have a look. Because the beauty of this is it gets right down into the fibres and it pulls out the dirt. It's even brought the pile back.
So you can see on the left-hand side, there's all that dirt, dust, debris, and on the right-hand side, literally all gone. That's the beauty of it. And of course, that's just with the one pass.
Absolutely. I mean, you don't want to make vacuuming hard work. You know, if you're stood there doing this all the time, then you're doing the vacuuming.
So what's making it so successful? Obviously, there's a lot of suction from it.
There's a lot of suction from this, but the brushes underneath are actually motor-driven. They're not driven by the airflow that goes through the vacuum.
That's what I was going to ask you.
And that's what happens with a good many of them.
So it's not the suction making them spin around?
No.
Can we have a look? Can we have a look?
Yes, of course.
Let's have a look.
I'm going to
But how are they getting power then from the main unit down to the end?
There's your power unit all the way down.
Oh,
okay?
right.
Yeah.
Right.
Because if you can see at the front, you see that little blue light that comes on? That's also the power. Okay? You can see that. Now, if I just turn that over, you'll see it's not driven by air. As soon as I go to switch it on, that's the power-driven brushes. That's what makes it important. Now, you've got 22 volts of power in this, and also a runtime of up to 25 minutes.
Wow.
Now, with the lithium-ion battery that we have, you don't have to keep charging it every 5 minutes, and the more you use it, the more charge it runs out, and then you leave it standing.
Its charge, does it?
Absolutely. There's no memory loss on it.
Right.
So if you did 5 minutes vacuuming and then say, well, okay, I'll leave it, but I haven't got time to pop it on charge, when you come back, you'll still have the 20 minutes remaining.
Perfect.
Now look how easy.
And it's pretty quiet.
Yeah,
if you're thinking, I can never do the vacuuming because he's upstairs or she's upstairs because
somebody's on shifts.
Yeah, you've got kids, you've got babies in the house.
Yeah.
That is virtually, well, it's a lot quieter than most vacs.
Look at that, how that is. Now, you've got over 1/2 litre of capacity on there. Now, what it does, it compacts it down. Yeah. There's also a filter in the middle of there, so it's all washable. Even the container is washable. And the beautiful idea about it is you can wash the filter. Now, when you wash the filter, just air dry it. In other words, stick it on the windowsill and let the sun dry it.
Don't put it on the radiator.
Don't put it on the radiator. Right. Don't use your hair dryers.
What happens if you do?
Because what happens with that, they will shrink. Now, that doesn't matter what vacuum or what filter you've got, it applies to them all.
Right, so if you're drying it out too quickly, then you're going to shrink. Okay.
Exactly. Now, if you've noticed, Paul,
carpet.
we've not changed any settings down at the bottom.
Oh, yeah,
no,
yeah. And so we're done carpet. Yep. We're about doing that. But okay on hard floors?
Absolutely.
Great.
Absolutely fine on any floors that you've got. Now, the reason I've got this carpet, it's not because I absolutely love the pattern, it's because it's nylon.
Oh, right.
Okay.
It's like that, what they call it, polypropylene.
That's the one.
Yeah.
Now, what happens is it creates a lot of static, these types of carpet does. And the more you run over it with a vacuum cleaner, the more static that you're producing.
Yeah.
And what happens is that actually holds on to the dirt that's there. Let's just show you how quickly and how easy this is to get through all this dirt and debris. It's just eating the dirt up.
Wow. And this is the same vacuum that's done the red carpet, the black carpet. I've been all around the studio with it, and it's still going strong.
That's pretty good, I would say.
I'm being told we're already busy, and I don't think it's surprising. It is not surprising. This is the brand new launch of a Blockbuster deal. We've taken our price down by £110. £110 that you don't spend, £110 that stays in your pocket. And that balance of £139.99, we don't ask for it all today. We don't ask for all of it, Dave. We're saying give us £46.66, whether you've bought from us before or never before. So if you're watching us for the first time, we're going to be celebrating 17 years in April. We are not new kids on the block. But the fact is you can buy for £46.66. We give you a 14-day money-back guarantee. So you can go clean your house every day if you want for 14 days. Every day. Go clean the house every day if you want. Look, I believe that we do it every week. So if you just want to do it twice during those 2 weeks, great. If you're not 100% satisfied, you get it back to us. In fact, even easier, take it to Asda. Take it to Asda. They will get it back to us for free of charge. And the great thing is, if you don't like it, we will give you your money back. If you don't like it, if you don't believe it's as good as we've said, and don't forget, we've only shown you as a floor cleaner so far. We're going to show you some of the other ones, because don't forget, I like to call this a 4-in-1. Let's get Bav back in, and let's see some of the other deals. Don't forget, if you go to very.co.uk, do it. Go to very.co.uk. They've got the same one, the one with the red canister on it, £279.99. Why would you? Our usual price of £249.99 beats them every day of the week. Every day of the week. But today isn't every day of the week. Today's the launch of a Blockbuster deal. Do not miss out on this. Come on, let's see it in some other uses.
Right, well, the thing is, I'm only 5'3". Okay, so contrary to believe, I don't always vacuum in my heels, but when I'm at home, but I like to make sure things are nice and clean. So this is what I call my wonky donkey tool.
Wonky donkey?
Wonky donkey tool.
But that's not the official Hoover name.
No, that's not the official. Right. No, that's my name. Because you can do that. All right. So now I don't have to go into the shed and get the steps. I can use this to do all the cobwebs all the way up to the top. I can straighten it all the way up and get even higher up the top and clean all the light fittings.
I don't know how far that is, but it's clearly about 12 foot, I'm going to say. About 12 foot, I reckon.
But if you're left-handed, it's no good if it's really bent that way, is it, for you?
Oh.
What about if we were
bent that way too,
so
yeah.
That
way is really good if you want to get down to skirting boards.
Absolutely, but also if you want to go underneath the coving.
Oh, yeah.
In your kitchen.
Yeah.
Anywhere like that, or underneath places, around the wardrobe, areas like that you can't get to.
So I'm going to call that the stick vac, okay? That's the stick vac.
Yes.
So we've seen it now as a floor vac.
Yep.
Now we're seeing it as a stick vac. What else can we do with it, Bev?
Well, let's take the longer pole off. You can still use any of the tools on the shorter variety.
Okay.
But let's say we want to dust down lower level, okay? It's very good. It's very robust. It bounces. Right. Now, you've also got the brush. But if you press the red button, okay, you have got the upholstery one.
All right.
So now you can do the curtains. It's got the lint strips on. So if you've got pets, absolutely fantastic for that. But also for our hair as well. On the back of the settees and areas like that.
Right,
you can use that.
Or if you've got a dark carpet like that black carpet, and only got blonde hair, that can show up really easily, can't it?
It can. So you're going to click it into position, and now you can dust, because you're not going to scratch the surface by using it with the brush that's on side there. So quite easily to be able to brush and dust.
Yeah.
Because there is nothing worse than moving dust from one surface to the next. When you've got something like this, you can utilise it to get rid of the dust.
And am I right in saying that this big attachment, the floor attachment, goes directly onto the handheld?
Exactly.
So that's what I like to call the stair vac. Isn't that brilliant for the stairs?
Yeah, and you know where else I use that for?
Oh, where?
The bed. The mattress, yes. You
right.
should vacuum your mattress periodically. Yeah, because of all the dead skin cells that's living in there. The dust mites and things like that. So the more you vacuum, the more you're going to get help to get rid of them.
There you go.
So,
I
yeah.
think that's what it's all about. Come on, let's give you a chance to place your order right now. I'm being told we're just getting busier and busier. I am not surprised. It's the big brand of Hoover. We've taken £110 off it. We've put it onto 3 flexes, £46.66 today with a money-back guarantee. It's lightweight. It's powerful. And, of course, it's cordless. You've got the freedom to go, hence the name, to go wherever you want. You can make your way around the entire house. No plugging it in, unplugging it, plugging it in, unplugging it. Do not miss out on this. Let's give you a chance to place your order right now while we show you what it could be like in your own home. Well, Bev was saying she uses it in the bedroom, so come on, let's use it in the bedroom.
Right, what's the alternative? One of these, okay.
Oh. You know, about 10 years ago, they were cutting edge.
Of course they were. Yeah, I mean, they still do a job, but it's how effortless you want to do the job. I mean, we've got this. This is all knotted up. So we'll have to undo all this. Oh, dear, I've got it in a right angle. Now, the thing is, where my plugs are... Eventually we'll get there. But where my plugs are... They're at the back of the light fitting, the light fitting gets plugged in at the side of the bed. So what I've got to do is now move the bed slightly to be able to get to the thing.
Right,
and also,
a pain, isn't it?
Oh, you see, that's another thing. That's what happens. You know, it drops on the floor, hits you on the leg usually.
I hope it still works.
Well, of course it will. I mean, we've carried it upstairs as well. We've struggled upstairs with it. We're going to plug that in. Let's say the plug's down there. Right. Now, what I want to do under the bed, okay? Let's try and get that underneath the bed.
Oh,
see,
dear. Yeah.
That's not going to go under there, is
right.
it? No more than that. Okay, right? So, I think we should get rid of that because, quite honestly, that's what you should do with it.
I feel bad for that one because about 10 years ago they were cutting edge, weren't they? They were better than the bigger, older, heavier ones. And of course, bagless. They got rid of the bags, didn't need the bags. But all the technology in those ones has been maintained in here, but they've become even lighter, even more powerful, still bagless, but of course now you've got cyclonic action as well.
Absolutely, and most importantly, they've got the wire. So now...
I guess it's like anything in there. They take those ideas and they improve them. They improve them, they improve them, they improve them.
So what you need to do now is just go and fetch this out of wherever you're going to keep it, in the utility room, and you can go from one floor surface to the next. Doesn't matter what type of floor surface you've got in your bedroom or any other room for that matter. But what about getting that right under the bed? Now I can tip this on its side and I can get right underneath the bed.
That's
so look how far we're going and cleaning under that bed.
Yeah.
When you vacuum with a conventional vacuum, you'll vacuum 76% of your room, because of the very nature of you not being able to get around all the floor surfaces. Yeah. But with this, you're going to vacuum about 92%, because now we can go right underneath the bed. And it's still laying flat on the floor, and it's still doing the job that it was designed to do. And going back to what I said about vacuuming the mattress, because
that's going to sound a little bit odd to some people. I guess a little bit like we brought you window vacs, and people are like, vac a window? Are you crazy? But of course they're ingenious. I bought one. I use it a lot in the bathroom. It just sucks up all the water that's in your bathroom or on the window. So it's actually a brilliant idea. Here we are. Now we've got a mattress vac. It's incredible. You couldn't do that with a big vac, could you?
No, but now you can.
Brilliant. Love it.
You can vacuum the mattress. So therefore, I mean, you know, my old cat used to sleep on the bed, and he used to have a favourite armchair. So, you know, to get this out and just run over it with the vacuum, honestly and truthfully, it's a lot easier. Come
on, let's share with you what customers are saying about Hoover, because this is genuine Hoover. Not like a Hoover, not almost a Hoover, it is a Hoover. This first one says, this product is excellent. It is so simple to use, even for a technophobe like me. It's lightweight, but that does not mean it doesn't have the power you need. The attachments are very easy to fit, and the wall fitting means it can be tidied away neatly, yet is always to hand. I would happily, highly recommend this product.